Hello and welcome. My name is Tiberius Fields. The topic for today's video is how to earn money with Google. This video is for everyone and every background. Teenagers, college students, Android users, bloggers, technical professionals, and even nonprofits. There are several programs, so let's begin. Large tech companies like Google need professionals for their teams. Teams such as marketing and communications, design, business strategy, finance. The best way to get paid by Google is to work for Google. Heading over to the careers page, at the top we can see that there are over 3,000 full-time positions available. According to Glassdoor, the average salary for a Google software engineer is in the $100,000 range. Creating your own YouTube channel can be very lucrative. For example, the top YouTuber stars make millions of dollars. However, this is not typical of every YouTuber. Your results will vary, depending on a number of factors. The most popular YouTubers often use advertisements within their videos to make their money. Speaking of advertisements, Google Adsense uses advertisements geared towards your viewers and content. Adsense is perfect for bloggers and people who own their own website. The addition of Adsense to your website or blog will push relevant and related advertisements to your audience. So, what's the earning potential? For this example, we'll choose North America. As you can see, there are many categories to choose from. Almost any niche that you can think of is covered, but for this example, we'll use real estate. Hit the calculate button and voila! As you can see in this example, you could potentially earn $13,000 a year just from ad revenue. The next method is an app called Opinion Rewards. This one's simple. Google sends you short surveys for you to answer and you get paid for them. Payment using the Android version of the app is in the form of Google Play Store credit. These credits can be used for anything in the Play Store, whether it's apps, movies, or music. As you can see, my reward history shows that I've taken over 200 surveys. Survey frequency is variable and low paying. However, over time, these survey credits can add up. This is a free app in the App Store. Links will be in the description. Back again is Opinion Rewards, the Apple version. Again, we see that the survey frequency can vary and the payout is low. However, the Apple version allows payout in PayPal. $2 is the minimum payout for PayPal. Here's a pro tip. If you would like to increase the frequency of surveys, turn on your location services. If you find that the questions from the surveys are too invasive, Google has made it simple and easy to delete your account. Next, we have User Experience Research. Google has many products, and they want to know how people interact with them. Depending on the study, you'll have the opportunity to try new Google products. For participating in the research, you can earn gift cards or a charitable donation to your favorite charity. In some cases, Google will come to you for your valuable feedback in their own Google Research van. Now it's time for G Suite. G Suite is Google's collection of productivity and collaboration software. These products include Gmail, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Sheets, just to name a few. You can get paid $30 for every new user that you refer. G Suite is perfect for small businesses and startups. Most new businesses will need productivity and collaboration solutions. G Suite provides this. To find out more, links will be in the description. Did you know that Google has its own phone service called Project Fi? You can earn credit for referring new users to the service. Project Fi is a service that I've used for many years, and it has not failed me. If you already have the service, then you're already eligible for the referral program. Once your friend joins, they get $20 in credit towards their phone bill. However, the phone service is only for Pixel phones, such as the Pixel, Pixel 2, Pixel 2 XL, and Pixel 3. If you are considering changing mobile carriers, give Project Fi a chance and use my referral code. Bug bounty programs. Put simply, it's just a reward for individuals who are able to find vulnerabilities in software. When it comes to Google, the reward can vary from $100 to $31,000. Software security is very serious business. Researchers can earn grants from $500 up to $3,000. Discovering and reporting vulnerabilities can be very lucrative. For example, Google currently has a $150,000 bounty for anyone that can compromise a Google Chromebook. There are bounties for Android devices as well. Here's a table for the payment range for Android vulnerabilities. Next we have Screenwise panel, not to be confused with the Opinion Rewards. Screenwise app is a free app that meters your devices. Once your device is connected, it tracks all of your behaviors. In exchange for tracking your data, Google gives you an incentive: free gift cards. Here's a points breakdown. You get points for installing for each device. 100 points equals $1. You can redeem these points after 500 points have been achieved. Here we see my profile. I recently redeemed for an Amazon gift card, as shown by my reward balance. But if Amazon isn't your thing, they have 14 other gift cards that you can choose from, such as Best Buy, Chipotle, Gap, CVS, Hotels.com, Macy's, Nike, REI, Sephora, Starbucks, Target, Home Depot, and Walmart. The maximum redeem amount is $25. You have 2 years before the gift cards expire. Last but certainly not least is Google Ad Grants. If you are or know a nonprofit, this program allows $10,000 a month in free Google advertisements, which could lead to more donations and awareness of your cause. If you are a nonprofit, you should check out this grant to see if you're eligible. Links will be in the description. And there you have it. I've shared with you all of the methods that I know to earn with Google. If you found this video helpful and you learned something new today, consider leaving a like and subscribing for more.